Hello dear students, good morning and Jai Hind. Welcome to Saraswati Sisumuni Bhagwala course English medium. Today we will learn subject Maths standard 5th. Today we will learn a new chapter number 6. The name of chapter is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Let's begin our chapter. You can see in the picture paragraph is there and on other side steps are there. On their steps cat and mouse is there. We have to read this paragraph and we have to understand it, and then after we have to write its question answer. So let me read the paragraph. Listen carefully. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. Kunjan is now on the 14 steps and it can jump 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. The cat can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Okay, from this paragraph, what do you understand? We understand that cat and mouse is there on steps. Cat is on 3rd step and mouse is on 14th step. Cat jump 3 steps at a time while mouse jump 2 steps at a time. What we have to find in this paragraph at the end? We have to find that whether cat catches the mouse or mouse get away safely. Let's begin to find out that cat catches the mouse or mouse get away safely. So let's find out. Here you can see I have drawn 2 lines. In first line I have drawn a numbers which skip 3 numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Same way in second line I have skipped 2 numbers 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Why I have skipped 3 numbers in first line? We know that cat jump at a time 3 steps. So that's why I have skipped here 3 number. And in second line we know that mouse can jump 2 steps at a time. That's why I have skipped here 2 numbers. Okay, so let's begin. Now you can see here cat is on 3 number and mouse is on 14 number. We already have seen in the paragraph. So cat is on 3 number and mouse is on 14 number. Now, we know that cat jump 3 steps at a time. So it will reach on which number? It will reach on 6 number. Okay. At the same time mouse also jump 2 steps at a time. So it will reach on which number? It will reach on 16 number. So this is the first jump. Both cat is on 6 number and mouse is on 16 number. Now they will jump again, means in second jump where they will reach, cat will reach on 9 number. Cat will reach on 9 number. At the same time mouse will reach on 18 number in second jump. Now in third jump cat will reach on 12 number and mouse will reach on 20 number. You can see in the picture. Now this is the third jump. Now again cat and mouse will jump. Cat, we know that cat jump 3 steps at a time and mouse jump 2 steps at a time. So cat again jump and it will reach on 15 number, and at the same time mouse will jump and reach at 22 number. This is the fourth jump. Again cat will jump 3 steps and it will reach on which number? 18 number. And mouse will reach on 24 number. This is 5 step. Mouse will reach on 24 number. Again they will jump, again cat will jump from 18 step to 21 number. At the same time mouse will jump from 24 and it will reach on 26 number. This is 6th jump of both of them. Again cat will jump 3 steps at a time and it will reach on which number? 24. Now mouse will jump 2 steps at a time and it will reach on which number? 28 number. This is 7th jump. Now you can see here mouse reach on 28 step. So we know that we have learned in paragraph that when mouse reach on 28 step it will goes into the hole. So from this we can say that mouse get away safely from cat. Now we will write question answer on the basis of this paragraph. Okay, let's write the question answers. First question, the step on which the mouse jump. On which step mouse jump? Which are the step on which mouse jump? So you can see in the picture. Let's find out. You can see in that 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28 steps. So these are the steps on which mouse jump. Next question, the step on which the cat jumps. Now you have to find on which step cat jump. You can see in the picture. Which are the steps? Step 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. These are the steps on which cat jumps. Now third question, the step on which both cat and mouse jump. Which are the steps on which both mouse and cat jump? They are, let's find out. We can see mouse jump on 18 number and cat also jump on 18 number, and another number is there, cat jump on 24 number and mouse also jump on 24 number. These are the two steps on which both the mouse and cat jump. So we can write 18 step, 18 and 24 on which both the cat and the mouse jump. Step 18 and 24 on which both the cat and the mouse jump. Now we will go to question number 4. Question number 4, can the mouse get away? We have seen that at the end mouse reach on 28 step and it goes into the hole. So we can say yes, the mouse can get away. Yes, the mouse can get away. Now we have another paragraph. From this paragraph we have to find out whether the cat catches the mouse or not. Let's read first paragraph and then after we will find out whether the cat catches the mouse or not. Let's start. If the cat start from the 5th step and jump 5 steps at a time, and the mouse start from the 8th step and jump 4 steps at a time, can the mouse get away? Now from this paragraph what we understood, that cat is on 5th step and it can jump 5 steps at a time. Same way mouse is on 8th step and it can jump 4 steps at a time. So what we have to find at the end, whether cat catches the mouse or not. So let's find out. Here I have drawn 2 lines. Or in first line, cat is on 5th number and it jump 5 steps at a time. So I have leave 5 numbers and I have written number like this on number line. Same way, mouse is on 8th number and it can jump 4 steps at a time. So I have leave here 4 number means I have skipped 4 number here. So let's begin to find out whether the cat catches the mouse. So now you can see here cat is on 5 number and mouse is on 8 number. Cat jump 5 steps at a time. So in first jump it will reach on 10 number. Same way mouse will also jump at the same time and it will reach on 12 number because it's jump 4 steps at a time. So this is the first jump. Now again cat will jump 5 steps at a time. So it will reach on which number? It will reach on 15 number. Here mouse will also jump 4 steps forward and it will reach on which number? It will reach on 16 number. So this is the second jump. Now again cat will jump 5 steps forward and it will reach on which number? It will reach on 20 number, means cat will reach in third jump on 20 number. Same way mouse will also move forward 4 steps and it will reach on which number? 20 number. So this is the third jump. Now you can see here cat reach on third jump 20 number. Same way mouse reach on third jump 20 number. So both come together on 20 number step. So we can say that cat will catch the mouse on 20 step. So here we can say that cat will catch the mouse. Hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you.